The novel coronavirus COVID-19 has now spread around the world. The World Health Organization has officially declared a pandemic. The coronavirus is transmitted by droplets from coughs, and sneezes. The best way to prevent getting it is by practicing social distancing.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
Social distancing is the term we're using right now. That is essentially everyone doing their best to stay away from large crowds while we're trying to reduce the spread of this disease, coronavirus.
The CDC recommends keeping 6 to 10 feet away from other people.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
This is something people are going to go through in their minds for every activity they have, whether it be work, play, meetups, whatever it may be.
Stay safe and stay away from each other. Reggie Aki, ABC 7 News.
Hey man, you're the dad, man. Copyrighted, man.
Motherfucker heavy, man. He weigh more than me. I'm a big guy. I got China oil. And then went down. It's time for me to go to the left side while I walk out there. Look like that. I see it going down.
Oh yeah, back at it like relapse crack at it. Y'all know what time it is, well. Back on the grill. Today we got Fred out. That nigga that tripping. Nice little gang out here. Good to be back out here again, though, man. damn on me to duck. Why you driving? Bitch, you like to went through the bushes. You like to went through the damn bushes in that car? You like went through the bushes in that car? You hit the damn back brake, bitch, I saw you. You like to went through the bushes in that car? I saw you grab the back brake, bitch. You say, oh.
I grabbed this bitch, I'm over there, shit, I was like,
Oh, shit. VP smell good butter out here. Yeah, Lord. Big shooter. Yeah, Lord. Yes, Lord. Big shooters. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Uh-oh. Grab a little bit of the go-go juice. Yep, so let's slide. Fill it up. Let's ride. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Let's ride. I know y'all remember what was out here last time. And these road tires ain't friendly on the dirt and this grass. I'm gonna just be real about mine. Whoa! Oh Lord! Oh Lord! Damn! First mistake, ride without no damn goggles. Second mistake, putting your street tires on the sand. Cause this does not mix. Damn! Hey, if anybody know a company that makes like a race fuel in fragrance, let me know. I will literally buy them. Kid's bike, to be real with you, man. It's like a truck. though, man. You gotta be careful out here on these like dirt roads and stuff like this, dog, cause it get real tricky. I swear them little 250s be screaming. Woo! Now this is a dirt road. God damn. Oh, I see what he meant. This the curve. God damn. Damn, I wish I had some regular dirt time. Oh shit! Oh! Move it! Move! Boy, y'all better be glad I got no dirt out. Woo! This sand ain't no joke on these street time. If you got street tires on your bike, do not use the front brakes for nothing in the dirt. Do not use the front brakes for nothing. God bless America and Frank. There's nothing right there. Boy, I need some dirt tire. Boy, I need some dirt tire pad in them. Boy, I learned quick. Do not use the front brake for nothing. You can't use the front brake for nothing on with these street tires. Yeah, made it 0.2, I guess. Pretty good day. Shit, enjoying ourselves. You know what I'm saying? Well, quick little pit stop, refuel, this and that. Out of here. Holla, y'all.